Hi y'all, Susan here. Today I'll be showing you how I made this pretty feminine birthday card. I used the Beautiful You stamp set from Stampin Up. I hope that you like it. Alright, let's get started y'all. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the image onto a square of cardstock with my Stamparatus. The image is from the Beautiful You stamp set by Stampin Up, and I inked it with cracked Pistachio Distress Oxide ink. I'm now going to stamp the sentiment onto a white label using the black Stays On ink. After I get that done, I clean the stamp and then I realign the sentiment stamp over the previously stamped sentiment. And then I'm going to ink that with my Versamark ink over that previously stamped sentiment. And then I've sprinkled it with the clear embossing powder and shook off the excess. Then I hit it with my heat gun until the embossing powder was melted, and this adds a nice little bit of texture to the card. So I'm going to set that aside. The next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach the floral paper from the Just Be You paper pad from Echo Park to the peach card front with the double-sided tape. Then I'm going to add a piece of crocheted lace to the card front with double-sided tape. The lace I purchased at Dollar Tree. Now over that I'm going to layer a piece of mint satin ribbon using double-sided tape. The ribbon was bought at Walmart. I think this adds some really nice texture to the card. Next I'm going to mat the image with the green cardstock. It's a mint green cardstock. I think it's textured. So now I'm going to mount the image square onto the card front with just double-sided tape. Just like that. And so now I'm going to mount the sentiment label onto the card with some pop dots. This gives it some more dimension and depth. So next I use a little bit of the clear Wink of Stella pen over the image to add a little bit of shimmer. And finally I'm going to mount the card front to the card base using double-sided tape. And then we will be done. Thanks so much for watching today's video, y'all. If you make a card with this video as an inspiration, I would love to see it. Please share a link to your project in the comments below or tag me on social media at Grace Journaling. I look forward to seeing what y'all are doing. Full description and supplies can be found on my blog at www.gracejournaling.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.